Hello, buddy. Hey, folks. It is Rye Guy. Here. Hi, Lucky and Zuzi. Well, we can tell by the puddle here and the fluid rolling off my caliper. I put all my money on we need a new caliper, and after watching some videos, come on, snap-on ratchet, I'm filming now. So we're going to replace the rear brake caliper, 2004 Honda Accord. This is all real. Now, I'm just going to loosen all these lug nuts. Uh-oh. Come on. Come on. Don't make me warranty this ratchet. Oh no. Oh no. Is it finally all done? Step one, loosen lug nuts. That is an old snap-on ratchet. I'm gonna have to get that warranted. Alright, next, I'm gonna jack this baby up. And we'll be back. Alright, so we're back. Jacked up. 14 millimeter. Something comfy to sit on. Just did pads and calipers probably a month ago. Not sure. Yeah, so I never seized all these bolts. So everything should come apart pretty easily. I'm gonna put this back in for a second. So we need to disconnect the emergency brake cable here. So let me go get some tools and we'll come back and see how that goes. Alright, let's put a little lube in this clip here. In the video I saw, the guy had trouble. So we gotta undo this bolt under here. Not that much fun. You're gonna be able to pop this clip off here or what? You made it look so easy. I don't know if I'm gonna get it. On there. I got the move. There it is. There we go. There we go. It sent it flying. Does it want to come out of its home now? That's the real trick. He's gonna want to get out of there. special trick to get that thing out? Or what? What has to happen now? Seriously, can't tell if it's threaded or something on there. I don't know. We'll try a grabby tool on it. See if it wants to move. If not, yeah, if we go for that bolt, we know we're gonna break that. And then what are we gonna do? They don't want to hear it. They don't want to hear it. Shit. Over here. Does seem like this opened up there. Worst tools in the world. Okay. Alright. I guess we're going to try to get a 12mm wrench on that thing now. Oh, wait a minute, what size is that? It's not that size. That is not that size. No, can I get the box end on there? Yeah, I did. Did it just slip right on? Damn it. Well, eventually what I did is I heated up that little bracket. I put this adjustable wrench on it right here, and I just gave it a little, and this cable slid right back and out. In case anyone needed to know that little bit of information. Alright, in the video I saw, the guy was having wicked trouble breaking this bleeder or banjo fitting after the fact, so I think it'd be wise of us just to get this free and we'll tighten it back up. Oh yeah, there we go. Now that'll be easy for quick. Alright, so now these are already loose. I'll whiz these off. And does not look good. Alright, let's get these pads out. Man, these are looking pretty dry in there. Alright. I think it's still a 14 millimeter still. 3/8 ratchet. I know, this is my favorite ratchet. It's an extendable one here. Oh, come on, baby. Break it free, and it's quick to use. Alright. Get that bracket off. I know, Zeus. Alrighty. New brake parts. New banjo fitting. Not bad. No, seriously. I know these things go like crap. It's gonna go up in there. Looks like we're gonna have to pull this apart and put it on the way we took it off. I know, Zeus. Now we're snug these bolts up. Man. Give them the torque down. That should be good. Oof. It's like now it's like I go off road. Inside pad. Where are all these new parts I got? No freaking clue. Alright, that's gonna go there. I know, Zeusy. Alright, that goes there, that goes there. It's like, what are these things? What the hell is this thing? Oh, there it is. You know what? There we go. Alright, those in place, those in place, those in place. Ooh, yeah. Well, on the road, it never hurts. We'll clean that up. It's a high mileage beauty. Easy enough. So far, so good. Why, you don't want to stay, huh? You're on my way enough. Oh, look at the spring is fighting me. There, we got you. It came with new bolts. Sitting on them. Oh yeah, nice blood there. Let me read this in here. I know this. We're just gonna snug it up for now. I know. I don't have the right size wrench right now. Does this fit? Oh, it fits wonderfully. Oh, that's nice. That's good. A little too good. That's good. Alrighty then. What do we gotta do now? Now we have to make a mess. Sure. Yeah. That washer's there, and that washer's there. I know, Zeus. And of course, it looks like a different size. Whoa, ho, lucky, Mr. Squeaky. Alright, well just needs a little tightening up, and I don't know what size it is. Feels good. Alright, extra parts. Extra parts. $45 core charge at AutoZone. We should be able to push this back on through. Here we go. That over here, clip the decent fine. Is it? Just have to bleed the brakes now. I know, Zuzi. It's shut the camera off and go back and bleed the brakes. Looks like we're gonna need help on this one. You get old Saturn with gravity bleed. This fancy Honda. Fancy Honda Zeus, I'm gonna need help. Well, y'all know how this goes. Alright, hopefully you enjoy the show. We got him bled. Now we're gonna clean up any of this mess and you know, clean the brakes and put it all back together. I know Zeus and gets back together right away so we can go mountain biking. The most important thing of this whole lesson learned today is we had to replace this caliper at Zeus so we didn't make a mess like this on the Chief's new driveway at work. Rye guy. Norfolk Power Equipment. Hope you enjoy the show. Have a great day. Happy Saturday. What's up, playa? My brake caliper was leaking all over the driveway, and sorry. We're gonna clean it up with some Kubota cleaner degreaser. I think it'll work just fine. What'd you get?
I just got some candy.
Nice.
The longest freaking line of CVS today.
Man, everything's been crazy today.
What's going on across the street? There's like 4,000 cars parked around the house.
I'm not sure. They were there 6 o'clock this morning, man, ready to go.
Yeah,
ooh, that spins nice now. I might have to do the other side just for, I know Zeusy. No.
Yeah, I just walked outside, yeah, and it was like white, it was like 500 cars over there. I don't know what they were doing.
I'm not sure. Well, we got the most of it off. The rest of it will burn off at highway speeds. What's the food challenge tonight? I'm starving. Huh?
I don't think we're going anywhere tonight.
No? Why?
Because I think it's making parm.
Parms?
Yeah.
Oh, say we should have got the grill going. It's nice out.
It is nice out tonight.
Yeah. We'll go to the butcher shop downtown and go get some slabs of steak. Did he already start cooking?
I think he did, yeah, he was cooking while.
Oh, nice.
Get Go make my run up the CVS.
Excellent.
People get shadier outside.
Come on. What, did you hear about the shooting? Obviously your mom didn't, you wouldn't be here.
What shooting?
I don't know, there was like a shooting on North Main Street where the cops like shot this car like 6 times as part of a special unit for serving high risk warrants. Serving warrants to high risk, dangerous people.
Oh, are they going in and arrest them or something?
I guess that's, yeah, well.
They just turned into a shootout?
I guess so. It's something they probably don't like to advertise too much. And it's going good now. Take it for a test ride. And we'll probably have to bleed all the brakes now. Not right now. But yeah. Watching a couple videos and reading all the comments. I think on these Hondas is like a kind of like you want to bleed these orders like that wheel, that wheel, that wheel, then that wheel. Whew. I am glad for that to be over. Not planning on doing that today. Yeah, and then you want to torque these properly in a crisscross fashion.
Oh, my cousin's car died.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What happened?
They brought it to the shop and it was so rusted. The guy was like, I'm not fixing it.
That's where my car would be if I brought it to the shop.
Oh no, the thing failed inspection like they're dying.
Oh no. Mass is tough. Oop. Get ratchet. Ooh. I think we're good. I think we're good. I think I checked them twice. All right, I'm gonna take this thing for a rally, double check the fluids, get my money back, and it is Saturday night time.
Get your money back?
$45 core.